Hi guys, I just got the package today from SilkSilky. It's like a silk company who makes amazing nightwear and night dresses. So I don't know what's inside. They just sent me that and I'm just so curious. So let's open that together and we'll see what's inside. It has a lovely box. Oh wow, let's see. Oh, I got two pieces. So the first one is this lovely, it's look like a teal color here, but it's more like green in the real life. Let's see. And I asked them to send me the extra small size. I really like the detailing on that. Actually, green is one of my favorite colors, so I was hoping actually to get that in green. And let's see the second one. The second one is kind of plain, and it's like light blue. Yeah, something like that. And it is so nice. I just need to read more and see. But those ones are really beautiful. Now I need to actually iron them. Actually, I think I will be using the steamer. Steamer is really good. And you know that you won't burn the clothes. But this one, oh my god, I think I love this one most. This is very simple, which is of course nice. But this one, look at this color. Amazing. Okay guys, I will iron them and then I try them on and I give you more information about the company. Now I got as well the guarantee that this is 100% mulberry silk. It's like a card with the company webpage and the tag which gives you information how to take care of your clothes, because the silk needs to be washed in a like 30 degrees cold water, and then you need to use the really mild detergent, so just to make sure you won't damage the silk. And the box is as well nice, so you can use it again as well. The tag which is attached to the shirt is in Chinese, so on both sides. And I checked, googled it, and that means it's 100% mulberry silk, and the washing instructions here, but I have the English version of that, so that's no problem for me, and I know how to take care of the silk anyway, but for someone who doesn't, it would be great just to have it. I used the steamer to get rid of the wrinkles, and I know there's still some, but I think after I wash them, they will disappear. But they look so much better now when they're ironed. Now I tried the two shirts, but I decided to wear this one for the end of this video, just to show you how it looks like, because this one is definitely my favorite. I love the color and it's very comfortable and it has adjustable straps, because I'm quite thin, so you know, anything when I buy, it's always too big for me, so I was able to adjust the stripes. The other one is little bit, the stripes are a little bit too long, so I have to adjust them myself, but I don't mind because I slept with it and it is really comfortable. So I have some discount code as well for you guys, and that will be in the description box below, as well as the company details and then the two links for the two shirts which I got. So if you like this type of silk clothing, nightwear, you can of course see if you find something for yourself. But I have to tell you, the quality compared to the price, it's really great. And then the detailing, the stitching, everything is really neat. I really check every single item just to see if there's any flaws or if there's anything which I don't like. But I have to say, it's really good. So I was really impressed. So thank you, SilkSilky, for sending me these lovely shirts, and definitely I will be wearing them to bed, especially now during the summertime. It's so hot here in my apartment, so it's like not even funny. It's like 24.5